Hello everyone, my name is Adeline Del Valle and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to read the nutrition facts label that is located on packed food. So as you can see, I have some products in my display, and what we're going to be doing is, because it's a nutrition facts is a lot of information, so we're going to be concentrating or focusing in three main areas of a nutrition facts, which are the serving size, the percentage daily value, and the nutrients. Before I start talking or showing the products that I have here and on display, let me ask a question. Have you heard the expression, you are what you eat? And if so, have you taken the time to read the nutrition values or nutrition information that you have in your product before you consume them? Well, United States is currently leading the rest of the world in consumption of the packed food. So what the researchers are found out that Americans consume more packed food than fresh food. By learning the nutrition facts that are located on your package, you can avoid the risks that could be related to any disease like diabetes or heart disease or even high blood pressure. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start with the product here. So, before I start with the first product, the University of Minnesota did a study with the 203 participants. So what they did is they put these 203 participants in a supermarket setting, and they asked for them to look for products and look for information on the products. So what happened was they, out of the 203 participants, 26% of them looked at least three of the items on a nutrition facts, and only 36%, actually 36% were looked for one only fact. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to just show a generic nutrition fact, so next time when you're looking for a product, so you know what you're looking for. So the first one here is the generic product, so just for you to see what you're looking for. The first information you're looking for is serving size. What the serving size is, it kind of helps you to tell you what is in a package. And normally it's very easy to read because it's going to show you how to see what you're consuming. Is in a cup, or is in piece, or is in ounces. The second one which you're looking for is the daily value. So the daily value is, it tells you the nutrients in one serving in that contribute for your total diet. The third one is your nutrients right here, so pretty much is the vitamins in your ingredients. So what happens is, the ingredients, of course, is what is in the package. Okay, so this is a generic one, so we're going to be looking now one by one. So this one here is the first product that I'm going to show. So you probably, since I already showed you how to read, you're probably trying to understand or trying to read and find the information here. So the reason it's kind of not clear for you is because the University of Minnesota, when they did the study with the 203 participants, they found out two main reasons why we're not looking at nutrition facts. The first reason is because, as you can see, very small, you can barely see what's going on here. The second reason is because instead of them located at the front of the product, they locate it everywhere, so it becomes hard for the consumer to find where to locate the nutrition facts. So my goal is for you to understand how to read, not only read what it looks good, but looks what is behind the scene. So we're looking at Nutella. Nutella is very, if you see, and even the commercials is very healthy, everything about healthy. So let's just look at the nutrition value of Nutella, and let me ask you, let's just see if you understand, or if you can see, or if we together we understand if Nutella is a health product or not. So the first what we're going to see is the serving size. So the serving size of the Nutella, as you can see, is a 2 tablespoons, and the serving size is about 10. So the serving size meaning that the 2 tablespoons that you're consuming in Nutella, you're consuming 200 calories. Out of the 200 calories, 100 is fat calories. So if you're looking at here at the percentage of the product. So this is going to be the daily serving that you're consuming. Every time you're consuming 2 spoons of Nutella, this is going to be the percentage going into your body. So the 17% is total fat. In my here, 7% you could see on the carbs, but as if you're looking at, you consuming 22 grams of carb just by 2 spoons of Nutella. So what that means is if you're looking for if you want to restrict diet and you need to consume not too much carb, or let's just say you have to consume 40% of carbs, you're already consuming 2 spoons Nutella. So you can see here is a good nutrients, nothing else that is going to say, wow, it's not good for me. But let's just look at this part here. We are consuming in 2 spoons of Nutella, we're consuming 21 grams of sugar. So meaning that each spoon is 1 gram. So you're consuming 21 spoons of sugar. The second product is, let me take the Nutella from here. The second product we're going to see is the potato chips. The potato chips is one of the common products that Americans consume. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at together. So on the serving size, as you can see, the serving size of the Lay's, of the potatoes, we're looking at 150 calories. Out of the 150, 90 is from fat. So you're pretty much consuming the same thing as Nutella. You're not consuming any nutrients at all. You're consuming pretty much everything is going to be fat. Looking at more down, you're going to look at some of the ingredients, of course, a vitamin in this and that, but when it's number here, the fat is 10 grams that you're consuming, meaning that it's just like you're getting the potato chips. Sounds delicious and everything good, but you're going to get 3 or 10 spoons of fat. The same way it works with the Nutella. It's going to be 21 of sugar. So the third one, let me just get this one here. I was trying to prepare just for us to see better. So here's our famous Coca-Cola. So you're probably going to say, well, what is wrong with the Coca-Cola? So let's just read it together. So 1 bottle of Coca-Cola is 150 calories. Well, the total fat, that's good then. So is the total fat is 0. Well, is that good or bad? Well, let's just read more. So the total carb, which we're looking at the percentage daily value on the Coca-Cola, is going to be 39 grams of only carbs. So what is the carb in here? Well, it's something that if you learn how to read the nutrition facts, you're gonna do a better healthier choices from now on. So my intention on this demonstration is for you to understand that those products that we probably consume every single day are not bad products. We just need to know if we consume in moderation. So one fact that I was reading as I'm doing this research is according to the U.S. Food Drug Administration, or the FDA, heart disease is the cause of death in the USA today. So what we do is, if that's the leading cause of Americans today, so it takes you a few minutes for you to read the nutrition facts. Now you know. So you're looking at to avoid disease like we have a heart disease. So now when you go to the grocery stores, do not go for looks. This looks tremendous delicious, but this is tremendous when you need to drink something. So the potato chips is something that you can see, wow, is comfortable food. Let's look for the nutrition value. So if you see that your total fat carbs is more than what your nutrients are about, so the answer for this Nutella is no. The product is not healthy at all. It does have the oil, or the hazelnut oil that is consumed like something that they said is a good fat or healthy fat. However, if you read that, or if you eat that, is 2 spoons, you're